Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming accounts and permissions. Make sure your Google account is signed in and your Notion workspace allows integrations. Once done, enable the Google Calendar API only if a third-party sync service requires it, and generate an integration token or OAuth consent in Notion. You do this because tokens let Notion read or write calendar events safely. Now open the Sync tool or Notion settings. Move quickly to grant access, since permissions are the gatekeepers to successful syncing. Once authorization is granted, you select which Google calendars to sync. Pick only the calendars you need to avoid clutter. Then map event fields. Assign title, start and end dates, and description to matching Notion properties so data lands correctly. Make sure to choose one-way or two-way sync. One-way prevents conflicts, while two-way updates both systems. If the Sync tool offers filtering, set simple rules now. This mapping step is critical because mismapped fields cause event duplication or data loss. You finish by running an initial sync and verifying 3 to 5 test events in both Google Calendar and Notion. Confirm titles, times, and any recurring rules. If events are missing or duplicated, check time zone settings, calendar sharing permissions, and whether the sync mode is one-way or two-way. If problems persist, reauthorize the integration token or consult the tool's logs to see errors, then rerun the sync. A single reauthorization often resolves permission-related failures. Try that before changing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.